Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Polybuzz app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Polybuzz AI is a dynamic platform that enables you to engage in immersive conversations with over 20 million AI generated characters, or you can simply create your own for personalized interactions. So if you haven't done so already, go to your Player App Store and download Polybuzz. Once you've done that, we need to open it up for the first time. Then from here, you should get a welcome screen saying welcome to Polybuzz. Go ahead and click on accept and continue. From here, it will say welcome to Polybuzz again. Fill in your info for personalized content recommendations. So fill this out. So I'm a male, put in your birthday, like so. Click confirm, and then click on enter Polybuzz. From here, click onto your user profile, bottom right hand corner of the page, and we can allow while using the app or only this time. And then we need to log in or sign up. So go ahead and click on login or sign up. And now we've got two different ways how we can do this. So we can continue with our Google account to log in and create an account, or we can put in an email address. For this demonstration, I'm going to simply continue with my Google account. So now I'm going to choose my Google account, Tutorial Wiz. And now this is essentially going to sign me up and sign me in at the same time. Now from here we can add in some more personal information. So you got in the birthday, we can put in a bio, we can change our user profile image, which we can do so by clicking the little pencil icon there. And now we can go ahead and choose a different photo, or we can click on the plus icon. And now if there's a photo inside your app store that you'd like to use, go and use it. So I might use this one, click done. All right, I like that. So I'm going to click the tick icon. So that's how you can change your profile image, and then go ahead and click on get started. Then they might recommend you to sign up to one of their premium versions of the app. You can do so if you like. But from here on the bottom tabs, let's go and have a look at them. So if we click on the home tab here, this is on the explore page of Polybuzz. So we can scroll down here. This is for you page, and click on any one of these. If you want to start chatting to any one of these, you can go ahead and click into it. So if I want to click onto Macareem, I want to click into that, and then it will say a little bit about it. And then if you want to talk to them, just say, hey, how's your day? And so and so. But if we go back here, on the bottom, we've got our chats. This is where all of our chats appear here. And then in the middle, we've got this plus icon. This is where we can create a character. So we can create your own AI character. So now we can select the character type. So we can do regular or multi-role. So say if I want to do regular, I'm going to click on regular. And we can upload an image for this character. So I'm just going to choose just a random image inside of my library there. And then we can put an avatar description if we like. And then down below we've got image styles, so we can use Magna, Frigidi, or Otomi, photography, anime, etc. So we can choose up the 3 styles. So I'm going to do that one, and photography. Also avatar description, we can choose male, female, non-binary. I'm going to do male. And now I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate. Now this can take a little bit of time, so normally it's about a couple of minutes to generate these images. So just, I'll pause this video and get back to you. And now to choose the image you like, so I want to pick that one there, and then click pick. And now we can clip these background or the profile photo if we like, but I'm just going to click save and next. Now you want to give your character a name, so I'm just going to say lion, intro, greeting. So just making this very basic. Put some tags in here as well, and we can put in some background information, dialogue style, and then click save and next. Now we can choose the different character voice. So we got flirting man, elegant man, mature man, etc. Deathbringer, silent man. I'm going to do silent man.
Don't mind my silence. I've got
Click save and next. And then from here we can say create and chat. You're currently in pure mode. Pure mode lets you access all that features, but only shows filtered content. To see more, go to the settings page and turn off pure mode if you like. So I'm just going to say not now. Then we could type to the character we created and hit enter. Now, if you want to restart your conversation, click on the four dots on the bottom right. We can go ahead and restart the conversation. So archive current session, start a new chat. So we can do that if we like. All right, so if we head back to the home screen here, we can go ahead and click on the explore page and we can look at all the different settings inside of here, or different features. So we've got daily features, editors handpick the characters for you. So if you want to talk to any one of the handpicked characters from the editors, you can. They've got weekly trending rank here as well, and from Polyweb and Clear Skies after Honest World. Now, if we go back to our user profile, so this is our profile page. So if you want to purchase coins, you can here too. So you can purchase coins using real life money, or we can earn for free. So to earn these coins, you got tasks. So we got complete search, character creation. We can collect that. See, congrats, I've got 50 coins because I've created a character. I've got deep chat, turn on notifications. And then also you got your daily streak. So if you keep signing in every day, you get more coins. So check in and get 10 coins, just like that.